Afternoon, triplers. Are we all okay? Very warm today. It's a bit different to last weekend. I come along the road there, I think it's about 1 degree. Feels like it on my bloody wrists. Anyway, this is a little introduction to what's going to happen next. And that's going to be, can you tell what's different? I'll just leave it there. Well, she's a goer, boy. Crikey, Mikey. Let's take this sucker on the 14, shall we? See what she can do, but unleash the beast! Woo! Fuck me backwards. This is mad. I tell you what, compared to the Triumph, that's not a very nice ride. I'm used to that sucking up all the bumps. This thing, you feel every bump, every groove in the road. 60, Dave. There we go. Jesus. What a machine. The last of a breed. They ain't gonna make one of these suckers again, are they? Woo! Fuck me! Fucking kidding me. Fucking hell, that's fucking insane. That is mental. Fucking mental. My God. I can see what you mean about your wrists, Andy, on yours. Fucking hell. Woo! I didn't realise you could have fun like this with your clothes on. Fucking hell. Oh. Oh, I think I've done something inappropriate in me leather trousers. Oh. Won't take a piss too much on the old turns, but woo! Fucking hell! You are pissing me. Get out of the way, the beast is coming. Oh, that motor sounds sweet, doesn't it, huh? Sweet as a nut, mate. Oh, she handles well. Get in that corner. Bed and the old front brakes in. pretty. She's fast. You could get into some real trouble with one of these, couldn't you? I actually feel like pushing me bum over to one side. Oh my god! I reckon that's gonna freeze tonight, but woo! She's a chilly one. Chilly on the willy. Chilly on the billy. The bike is telling me there's ice. Fucking hell. I'm not going to go very fast for the simple reason I'm fucking freezing. Sean. Well, what an experience that was. We're back on the trusty Triumph now, eating up all the bumps. I hope you liked that little section. That was definitely a fun half an hour, I must say. I did worry coming along a Wigan bypass when I see the blue lights, but that was an ambulance, thankfully. 6:10 and still light. Here we go across Paramere Field. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this, something a little bit different, and we'll see you on the next one. This has been a Triple Dave H2 production.